You can actually get to this control from a number of different places, but right now we're in settings. We're going to come down here to serialized items, and we're going to go to model numbers. Now, this control enables us to add model numbers into the system before we actually get around to working with the actual units. We can also add the model numbers in on the fly as we're adding the units to service tickets and so forth. And we can use this unit to come back in here and make changes to model numbers that may already be in the system. So to do this, if you notice, this control looks exactly like it does on a locate unit control, and that is because it literally is the same control. So all we're going to do here is select a model number that we want to work with, and the system will bring up all of the information and enable us to make changes to it if we can. Now, as an example, right now we can't make a change to this particular model number, and that's because there are units that are using this model number, and so the system prevents us from making changes because it doesn't want you to inadvertently change a type or a year on a unit that you already have in stock. If there are no units tied to that model number, then you can actually make the changes, just again, depending on what it is that you're working with. Another thing we can do on the model numbers is we can click on this defaults button here, and we'll actually get a lot of other fields that you recognize, or you will recognize from the unit entry screen when we're adding a new unit or editing a unit. These are, if we fill these fields in, then whenever we create a new unit of that model type, Lizzie will automatically fill in the price, the MSRP, whatever happens to be here on that new unit when it gets created. So this gives you the ability to go ahead and set things up that you want to have default for that particular unit, and Lizzie will take care of making sure that it gets done for you.